Coming from both sides. That's very nice. Yeah.
We are full.
Outside, or I mean.
Yeah, there is a little bit of space outside. You're most welcome.
Oh, lovely. Thank you very much. Yes, definitely.
Come through.
Wrapped up in a minute. Very much.
I'm not sure anything's going to become free inside quickly.
Okay.
That's the only problem.
Expensive flower on it. Was that a violet or something?
Cute.
It's elderflower.
Elderflower.
So Victoria sponge, elderflower cream, and
Elderflower cream.
no. See, it is violet. You should drop something. Sheffield plate.
Is it silver plated, this one?
It's Sheffield plate,
Sheffield plate. Okay, so
yeah,
copper underneath.
copper. Yeah, that's right. Yes,
And then
yeah.
seat of the silver.
So a much thicker layer of silver
Yeah,
than if it
rather
was
than the
electroplate.
That's really nice. Quite nice.
In case you're so interested in
It's fake all the emails we get. Yeah. It might do all this stuff.
So you put a knife in. Wow. And you roll them.
Thank you very much. It's about quick service.
Cosmos. Butterflies.
Get to a semi-final in a competition of this sort of scale is amazing. They're setting the tone for the men.
Incredible commitment of the players, and they showed just great performance.
Now to go one better, reach Sunday's showpiece and then history. Dan Rowe, BBC News, Sydney.
That's a rain.
experience, like a hot air balloon ride or sorbet?
Sorbet?
It's when you go down the hill and you see through the ball.
She's an old lady, Kevin, not a gerbil.
Right, well, what about dry slope skiing then, or canal barging?
Yes! That's it!